Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a look here at the brand new 2025 No Boundaries 10.4 Overland trailer here. This is a small, lightweight toy hauler travel trailer here. We even have this one with the nest on top. We're gonna take a few minutes here, run you through the inside, the outside, and get this thing all opened up for you so we can show you what this thing is all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the new 2025 No Boundaries 10.4 travel trailer here. Again, small Overland trailer here. This thing is about 55 inches tall inside. You have an electric fireplace up there, which is basically a fancy electric space heater. You're going to have a little bit of shelf space up above this area right here. There's two full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. You're going to have your mini air conditioner over here. Little shelf space back there as well. There's a large turbo exhaust fan right there. Got the 32-inch smart TV up right there. Currently got the AllaboutRVs YouTube channel up. Looks like we're sitting at about 60,700 and some odd subscribers. So if you're interested in keeping up with more videos, if you don't mind, please remember to subscribe. You have some D-rings in the floor. You're going to have the little flip-up tables right here. There's one on that side and then another one over here. You have the electric box with the breakers and fuses over there. Electric outlet, monitor panel for your holding tank, 12-volt tank heater, USB charger ports, porch light switch. There's also a vent over there as well. This little sofa area right here, obviously completely freestanding. That flips out and makes into your mattress. You can maneuver that around and kind of set it up however you want to kind of make it in seat mode during the day. You got a door on each side. Each door has a screen door. Got the ramp door down right now, and you got a screen obviously right there as well that you can get in and out of here. Now I got some measurements. I took some pictures here. I'm going to try to tie these into the video. Hopefully it don't look too stupid. But I got some measurements for you just to kind of get you some ideas here. So let's show those real quick. Okay, so hopefully that helped a little bit with some measurements. I'll put it down in the description below too. Over here again, there's an electric outlet. There's a little bit there for the jacks, so you could use a cordless drill and zip the jacks down. Got your fire extinguisher there. Another one of the side vents over there as well. But overall, pretty cool, small, lightweight camper here. Let's step outside. I want to show you around the outside with everything opened up. All right, we're now back on the outside of the brand new 2025 No Boundaries 10.4 Overland trailer here. We're gonna start here on the passenger side of the RV and kind of work our way around for you. So first things up, the unit has kind of a small outside cook area set up here. So we got a 12-volt powered mini fridge by Insignia. You have a cold water spray port right here and a little mini dump sink that's on a little pull-out tray right here. The gravity fill fresh water tank is right above that area as well. This has a little slide out tray that slides out. I have the tire pressure monitoring system and the portable Bluetooth speaker that also comes with it sitting on that. But that little side tray right there is really meant for that 18-inch gas griddle by Suburban that's down there in the box. It also comes with a Thedford porta potty as well. So kind of a nice little cook area set up right there you can use. Now I got this all opened up as well. This is the Ironman 4x4 Delta Wing 270 model here. And it has a little flapper on the side that you can slide out and maybe move it to another spot or stake it to the ground, drop it all the way down for privacy, however you want to kind of do it. There's also kind of like a little screen add-a-room thing you could buy for it. There's Velcro around the edging of it that you could use as well. Now right here you can also see it has a little side toolbox. And this is basically kind of mounted right over your wheel well area, but it gives you a little bit of area for some of your dirty tools. One of the side vents there, you got that porch light right there as well. That can also go into amber mode by flipping the switch the opposite direction. You're gonna have that off-road suspension, the Kurt Beast Mode suspension here. A very nice suspension system. You can kind of see it underneath of there. I might try to tie the actual Kurt Beast Mode video at the end for you to check out. You got an entry-exit door on this side of the RV. Again, screen door and everything as well. Right down here, you are going to have a portable plug-in for a solar panel. So if you wanted to get a solar panel, it says it goes up to 20 amps. Get one of those blanket panels and kind of move it around to help juice up your RV. You could do so. There's an electric outlet right there as well. Step back here so you can kind of see this a little better. Ramp is down on the back so you can kind of get an idea what that looks like. You got that screen wall in there as well, but a very nice little setup here. This one was also ordered with the optional NOBO nest. This is a pretty cool feature here. So you figure you could sleep 2 people inside pretty comfortably. And you got your air conditioner also, so you could be a little more comfortable than the guy maybe up on the tent, depending on the weather outside. But if you got those extra kids or extra, adults that want to come, or maybe you throw the kids in the camper and you sleep up top, you got your choice of what you want to do here. But this right here is a nice little tent area up here. You got some hanging bags up there. You got a skylight you could drop down up there as well. Some side screens and stuff all right here that you could kind of do. And then you got another little skylight thing up here. It has these little bags for your shoes and stuff to hang out here as well. This is pretty cool. Now real quick, I want to show you here, just kind of take a look at what it looks like when it is closed up so you get an idea on what that roof looks like. But there are a few things up there. You want to make sure you get up there from time to time, guys, and just do your inspections and stuff. Very, very important on any RV again. You got your TV antenna up there and some different stuff. So get up there, do your maintenance. Spare tire mounted on the side right here. And right here, we have a few informational stickers. This is real important stuff here. So right here, it tells me this RV was built 9/23 of 24, model number 10.4. It has a gross weight, this is the most you're allowed to load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined, of 3,785 pounds. Do not exceed that number. You got tire size, ST235 75 R15 D-range tires on the off-road tires here. These are Westlake off-road tires with the tire pressure monitoring system. Your spare is not, however, it's a regular street tire. You're going to have a dry weight of 2,198 pounds. If this thing was 21,000 pounds, it'd be crazy. So 2,198 pounds. Exterior length, 13 feet, 10 inches. You got your city water inlet right there above the front marker light there. Got a little bit of diamond plate on the lower part right here. You have your tire pressure monitor repeater, the little yellow thing there. Battery disconnect here as well. Room for 1 or 2 batteries to go back here depending on the size of your battery. A single 20-pound propane tank. Power tongue jack the way this one was ordered with the light and manual override built in. 7-way Bargman wiring plug. It does have brakes on it, so you got to make sure you have a brake controller. You have a 2-inch hitch ball. 7-way, or the heavy duty safety chains right there. It's got the little holder there that you could use as like a pet leash holder. That's what that's actually for. I just happen to hang the safety chains there. Your gas line hookup right there as well. But overall, pretty cool new floor plan for the No Boundaries model. This replaced one of their other floor plans. They redesigned it a little bit. Tell me below, what do you guys think? Do you think you could actually do some real camping in something like this? Or would you rather have one of them larger, fancier models over there? What would you prefer? All right, folks, thanks a ton for watching my videos. As always, you are greatly appreciated. If you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to do so. Thanks again.
Now, this is our 5th season with No Boundaries, offering our consumers a turnkey adventure unparalleled in the lightweight travel trailer segment. The Curt Beast Mode is going to take No Boundaries to that next performance level that you haven't seen yet. What makes it so special? Well, let's start with 5 inches of articulation on both the single and tandem axle setups. You've got an axle-less design that provides independent suspension going over smooth or rough terrain that both reduces rattles, reduces vibration, and increases the towability of the product. Now, the maintenance schedule on the Beast Mode suspension system mirrors that of exactly what you have towing down the road today, which is a never adjust braking system along with easy lube hubs, so it's virtually maintenance free. This will not only increase the length of life of the towable unit itself, but it will give you the peace of mind that you need to go farther off the street from street mode to beast mode like you never have before. Now, what sets this product apart are the nitrogen-filled gas struts along with racing-inspired coil spring design. Performance for No Boundaries has been the pinnacle of the product design. And again, we are laser focused on bringing you the most towable, most versatile product on the market. For more information about the Curt Beast Mode suspension system, check out ForestRiverInc.com/NOBO or contact your local No Boundaries dealer.